Hello, my dear fashion lovers. I'm Deepa Jayashree, featuring in front of you as a costume designer, entrepreneur from our own temple city, Parani. After completing my schooling course in Parani, I have done my UG course on costume designing and fashion in Coimbatore Sri Krishna Arts and Science College. I thought that I need to learn something different and something that is useful to me in life forever. So, rather than physics, chemistry, and maths, which is all at the end of the day just bookish, it does not help me in my life. So, I thought that why can't I choose costume designing, which I had more interest in my childhood days. So, before completing my UG course on my final year, I have done an internship course on one of the top most celebrity brand, Samudrika's Designer Studio in Bangalore, which is which that gave me practical knowledge and gave me a splendid amount of self-confidence, and it raised me a question that why can't I start my own new brand. So I have started my brand by discussing with my parents before completing my final year. JM Designers, an exclusive costume designing unit in Parani. So that was a great experience to me, balancing both semester and boutique. And I'm very satisfied what I work. So I'm very glad that I'm doing my work what I'm wished for. So I thank my parents for making me such a good entrepreneur. So every day when I go to work, I'm just excited, and every day it will be a challenge to me. So I love what I do. Clothing is the main thing that gives every woman essential to their life and enjoyment to their life, I think so, because this gives them satisfaction and more self-confidence to them. Every people would like to dress well, no matter they are rich or poor, because this is the only way that they give an look, and it gives their personality in front of the third person without even speaking. So every clients I would like to tell them that dress every day how you want to be addressed. So I have been started my boutique JM Designers 2 years from now. We have been serving to all women, kids, and we have been doing all the customized orders, all pretty frocks to kids, and also brides, bridal blouses, and many. And it is all in affordable prices, and I am very particular to the comfortability of the clients. And I think in very short span of time we have achieved a certain level because our only motto is we meet their style. So I think it just clicked in that way. I would say yes to the question that women should be self-employed or they should have a own working space. So in my case itself, I have started my boutique doing my final years. So I have crossed many questions that whether a girl child should have a business, and she will be get married within 2 years. So who will be the further one to get proceed? So these were the questions shooted on me. I have answered them with a single statement that whether the life of a woman just get end up with their marriage, why can't they survive after marriage? So in this society, I think that there should be freedom for the women to express their thoughts and express their opinions. So this was applicable to all the women who have surplus amount of money or who have family support. By the end of the day, women should stand by her own. So I think women should be self-employed, or she should be an entrepreneur. Most of the women prefer to do jobs rather than being an entrepreneur, because women mostly are dependent on men. They are in the place where they are responsible and where they are answerable to their family. and lacking of confidence, and all these built together as a fence around her by herself. So these are the steps that restrict a woman from becoming an entrepreneur. So I think in some time every woman should break their fence and come out and step out and face their life with all the smile in their face. I wish them all good luck in advance. Thank you. Of course, there is a great scope to every woman in the costume designing and fashion field. In ancient times, it has been considered as a qualification before they are getting married. So, I wish there will be more budding entrepreneurs from this time after COVID-19, and for all the budding entrepreneurs, I would like to tell that stand on their own design instead of implementing others, because that speak your work and that speak your fashion. So all the best to all the budding entrepreneurs. Finally, thank you so much Microbazaar for giving such an platform and for inspiring many women. And thank you so much. May all your success reach heights. Bye bye.